Welcome to your PX4 Dev News, brought to you by the Quad Drone Lab. Let's jump into the updates. The big story this week, it's all about making the system stronger and developers' lives a whole lot easier. And it was a busy one. A total of 21 pull requests were merged into the main Autopilot repository. Devs got a huge boost with a massive CI/CD overhaul. This means faster builds and quicker bug fixes. We also saw some really key fixes for flight stability and system security, boosting in-flight reliability. So with that progress, what's next? Let's check out the critical open pull requests under discussion right now. A bunch of crucial safety features are in the works, all designed to fight back against hardware failures. But a major bug affecting visual inertial odometry for GPS-denied flight is still a top priority.
Moving to the wider ecosystem, Mavlink got important updates for better mission reliability and backward compatibility.
For MAVSDK users, listen up. A key issue was found that could improperly trigger a failsafe during log downloads. And over in the Q ground control community, it's all about slow downloads and the need for specialized new features. So that's your high-level look at this week's progress. But things move fast, so we're moving faster. To bring you this info quicker, we're really excited to announce we're moving this to a daily update. These daily briefings are going to be an exclusive perk for our Quad Drone Lab channel members. For a full deep dive into everything we covered today, you've got to visit our official blog. You'll find the links for both our Korean and English blogs right there on the screen. Thanks for watching.